Hello dear friends, JIO was offering true 5G with a minimum of Rs 239 recharge plan. But after increase in recharge plan rate, the company also changed the price of 5G. Now you can get 5G unlimited data at least on the recharge plan of 349. This plan provides 2 GB per day data for 28 days. Here is how to get 5G unlimited data in JIO after recharge price increase. Tap on MyJio icon. Tap on recharge. Scroll the tab and select 2 GB per day. If you want to recharge with minimum amount, scroll down and go to 349. Tap on recharge. Select the platform from where you want to pay recharge amount. Follow further instructions to make payment. If you like to recharge using Paytm, then open Paytm app. Select mobile recharge. Find your mobile number and tap on recharge. Select 2 GB per day data from the tabs. Scroll down and tap on Rs 349. Tap on proceed to pay. Select the bank. Tap on pay securely. Enter your password and that's all. Thanks for watching the video.